What's up, guys? Just looking at one of the tires on the GTI here. It is losing air, so we'll look at it real quick, see if we can see any hissing or screws or nails or air kind of bubbling. Don't see anything obvious. Tire's at 40 psi right now. So next thing we're going to do is spray it down with some soapy water. Might as well do sidewall valve stem. Oh, right here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Found it. So it could have been punctured with a nail. Could be something in there. There was some debris on the highway. So, cool. So it looks like there is, oh, that's a rock. I don't feel any screw or nail in there, so it must have been a puncture, like a nail through the board or something. So I'll see if I have a plug kit here. If not, I'll have to take it into shop. So I managed to find a tire plug kit. I think this was from one of our road trips, and we got a nail in a trailer tire. So this is one way that we can fix the tire. We're going to basically take the reamer and clean out that hole, hog it out to this size here, and then we're going to take our plug and use this tool, put the plug through here, spit on it, and basically just push that in, and we'll plug the hole with that. It's not the best way to plug this thing. It should be a plug patch, in which case the tire should be pulled from the wheel and you would actually prep it and clean it from the inside. But this is what we got, so that's what we're going to use. So I have these T-style plug kit handles. This is the installer, so I'm going to use that because it's easier to get more mechanical leverage force. So these things are kind of almost like a tar coated rubber. So you're going to push it through the fingers of the tool about to the middle, and then when you push that through, it's got a slot in here. Get it installed, and when you pull back, it just releases the rubber, leaves it in the tire. And spray some soapy water on there just to help go in. Well, we got it on here. Sprayed it down with some bubbly waters. Looks like it's sealed, so we might be lucky. You can cut this with a pair of side cutters, or you just slice off the excess with a razor blade or a box cutter here. There we go. No more leaky.